In this video, I use our CO2 laser to engrave a part number and EFI Connection logo in the top of the Delrin continuity test fixture. Because nothing really wants to stick well to Delrin, my best option was to engrave, fill with a black acrylic paint, and then clean the surface off. So once the engraving is done, I simply wipe this black acrylic paint over the top surface of the fixture. And once the paint dries, I put it back in the CNC mill. I take a 10/1000 cut with a 3-inch face mill, and gives me a beautiful finish. In the next video, I will show you the final assembly of this fixture.